सगळे कॅन्डिडेटाचे पेज येयलो आहा आतां. Now they all know that I am going to win for 100%. आमगे एक आप कॅन्डिडेट आहा ते प्रतिमा, ते आनी कितें उलयता तें तेका खबर आसता. I don't say anything to her because character, everybody knows what type of a person she is. दिसाचे मेळ जाल्यार सेम, रातीचे मेळ जाल्यार तेंच. ते सांगता की हांव ऑलरेडी जिखिल्लें आसा तेगे हिशपान. हांव जिखोन BJP वयता खंय आनी ऑलरेडी BJPन म्हाका स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ऑफर केल्या. So it's as good as she is accepting that she has lost the elections and I am the winner in Naveli. I don't know what's wrong with her. They must have taken alalain जाल्यार कोणा म्हाका. हें केदो जाता, once a candidate is scared of the other opponent, that's the time they start talking. She even started distributing leaflets in Naveli that if I win, I'm going to go and join BJP. Her group has also started making posters with that I went and met Amit Shah and we have decided something, and if I win, I'm going to join BJP. I never met Amit Shah in my lifetime. I've never met him, and I don't think there's a need for me to go at this time when I've joined Congress. Why should I go and meet him? आनी तेंय जाल्यार तो गोंय येयलो आसतना हांव तेका वचून मेळटलो, कित्याक कांय कारण ना न्हू. वन्स आय जॉयन काँग्रेस बीन आय बीन काँग्रेस. हांव परत BJP बरा कित्याक म्हूण आसतलो. दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू डिफेम मी and I'm not going to keep quiet for this. I have already put my machinery in force where I'm going to find out for sure who has made this post. And against Pratibha, if she doesn't apologize in 24 hours, I'm going to file a defamation case against her. I will not leave her. Because the way she speaks, everybody knows she's a drama queen. Everybody must have seen her video because she herself posts her own videos. She doesn't want others to post her videos. They आपणाके videos create करता सगळ्यांक.
आमगे तियात्र काबार जालो, प्रतिमा गेलो, काँग्रेसार रावन जायते ड्रामा केले तेणें पयले. सिलिंडर मादेर मान, पियाव हें कोन. ते पयलीं हिंची पार्टी आहली. ते पयलीं तेणें चोवपा जाय. आमगे आज कॅन्डिडेटाचे तेणें नाक जाल्लें भगलाण करता. आमी सांगपा सोदता, हांव सांगपा सोदता, प्रतिमा कित्याक तेणें कितलें काम केलें, तेणें कितू काम चोयलें. आमकां हेचें मॅनिफेस्टो आहा, आमगे गांवांत कितें केलें तें, तेजेर यो म्हूण सांगता तेका. हांव ओपनली चॅलेंज करता तेका, तुवें कितें केलां तें सांग. तें जाय तें सांगता लोकांक, तेणें कांय केलें ना म्हूण. हांव सांगता तेका तेणें केलां तें हांव सांगता म्हूण. कित्याक आमगे गांवांक जायतें बरें केलां तेणें, जॉब दिल्या तेणें. आनी आतां बेश्टेच तियात्र करपाक येयलां काय म्हूण तें तियात्र ते सिलिंडर घेवन काँग्रेसाक तियात्र करता, थिंगा हिंगा जाम करून आतां आप गेला तूं थिंगा बरे भशेन राव. आनी ते लिफलेट्यो बीन उडयनाका. आमचे कडेन प्रूफ आहा तुवें केलां म्हूण. कित्याक तूं उलयनाका, आमगे गांवांक पाड घायनाका. आम जाणा कॅन्डिडेट कितें तो आमगे 5 वर्सां केलें तेणें. काँग्रेसाक येयलो, तूं BJP वयता. आमी BJP केन्ना आसोना, आमी इंडिपेंडंट. पयलें इंडिपेंडंट, आमी सपोर्ट केला BJP. तूं म्हणनाका आमकां हेक मेळ्ळा तेक मेळ्ळा म्हूण. आमी जाणा आम कॅन्डिडेटचे 100% विस्वास आसा तो आमचे बरो आहा म्हूण, काँग्रेस म्हूण.
आनी ह्या पासत असली नाटकां आयज आमकां दाखोवंक येता. म्हाका दिसता आम आदमी पार्टी खूब सवाज केला, बट दे आर बँकरप्ट. आय से दे आर बँकरप्ट कित्याक तांचे कडेन कॅन्डिडेट्स ना. इन पॉलिटिक्स वी हॅव सीन ऑलवेज अपहील. जो कोण पंच आसता सरपंच जाता, सरपंच जाता ZP जाता, आनी ZP जाता उमेदवाराक बसता. बट हांगा आमी पळयतात की हारलेलो मनीस ZP तो आज उमेदवार कसो नावेलीक बसला. सो आय वूड डेफिनेटली से आम आदमी पार्टी इज बँकरप्ट. दे हॅव नो कॅन्डिडेट्स, दे हॅव नो सपोर्ट. आनी ह्या पासत असली नाटकां आमच्या गांवांत चलता. मागता असली करूं नाकात. लेट्स प्ले अ क्लीन फायट. लेट्स गेट टुगेदर and have a clean fight. That's democracy.
And apart from that, there are messages circulating saying that setting is done, and these are coming on proper Goan media. So this type misuse should not happen. We are coming in a proper channel to request her in the first instance. If by 24 hours she doesn't give this apology to the candidate, that we will have no other alternative than to issue a legal notice for defamation, and we will sue her for that damages that is caused to her. That is one. Now secondly, I would also bring to her notice, the second part of the complaint is in respect violation of code of conduct. Now there is certain code of conduct for which a candidate has to campaign. Let me just read part 2. Criticism of other parties when made shall be confirmed to their policies, program, past record of work. So you cannot bring any part of candidate, if not related to work, you just say that this person has done setting, you are making a corruption allegation against him. When a person is sitting on a candidate, on a national recognized party, you're not only making it, also you would want to brand that this party is trying to offer this MLA for sale. So these things should be avoided. This is not what is permitted under the law. They cannot speak anything other than the work done by the candidate. This is not permissible under the law. And criticism of parties based on unverified allegations, distortion shall be avoided. It is very clear. So despite this is going on. So this is why we have come forward to take legal action. And the whole purpose of this press is to, in a nice manner, to request her to give an apology and clear this issue. We do not also want to take the matter. Let us fight it out on merits. But if she doesn't give this apology and continues, then this will go further. Now, that is one part. Second part is this. The popularity of Abetan is growing, and seeing that the ticket is given to him, it appears that these people are unhappy. So that is why some people are using this media. So